In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use gift card on Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can browse through all of the gift card options on Cash App, how to send and redeem them if someone sent you a gift card. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm only going to be talking about the options related to gift card inside of Cash App itself. If you are trying to use something like a Visa Vanilla gift card, which is considered a debit or credit card, then you will have to go over to another video that I have already made. But for this video, all that you have to do to find all of the options related to gift card is first, when you try to type any number on the home screen and pay someone, one of the options to send as is going to be gift card. So as you might be aware, there are a lot of features inside of Cash App. You can send money as cash that they can use on the app. You can use it as a stock. You can use it as even Bitcoin. But you will also be able to find the gift card option within those options. So all that you have to do is choose send as gift card when you include any amount. On the next window, you will be able to browse through all of the gift cards available on Cash App. There are a lot of options. You have shopping, you have stuff related to gaming, such as the PlayStation Store, GameStop, and so on. For this video, I'm not going to demonstrate anything in particular, but you can go ahead and choose any of these options available. Afterwards, you will be able to proceed and you will send the gift card to whichever person you choose from your list of contacts. After they receive the gift card, they will have the option to use it as a physical gift card or activate it digitally through Cash App itself. They will have to go over to the Cash Card window as you can see on screen, and at the bottom they will have plenty of options related to gift cards after they received one from you. So this is how you can send and use gift cards inside of Cash App. I hope I was able to help you on how to use gift card on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.